Okay, firstly, I want to say that the people who are involved doing this are more special to me than actually the magazine. And obviously, it's because of you, Imam Siddiqui, without whom I think I owe him so much in my life. I think the reason I'm doing films is he's behind the Little campaign in my life. I became the little girl because of this man. So now that I'm here for Rave, no, I mean it, and you know it.
Thank you. I'm humbled.
I don't have to flatter you.
Thank you.
So Rave, of course, is special. It's a great magazine, and I'm glad that you revived it. And of course, music. How life is incomplete without music. I think music is, your food for your soul, and I think you can't do without music. And it's sad people who don't appreciate music. So I think I love music, and I can't live without it.
And she's a great singer and a dancer, by the way.
Well, a dancer more so than a singer.
But you're good. Tell me.
What do you want to say? Rave के बारे में, music के बारे में.
दरवाजा बंद करोगे तो मैं कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ कि that noise is too much. One person should just be there.
Yeah.
Okay. कहाँ देख के बोलूँ? आपको देख के बोलूँ? इनको देख के बोलूँ? सेंट्रल कैमरा. ओके. नमस्ते, सलाम, आदाब, वणक्कम, सत श्री अकाल. आज के दिन मुझे बड़ा फ़ख्र महसूस हो रहा है ये बताते हुए कि मैं एक ऐसी मैगज़ीन का जिक्र कर रहा हूँ जिसके साथ मेरा रिलेशनशिप आज से नहीं 16 साल से रहा है. I was part of the original team when Rave was launched 16 years ago. We're reviving Rave. It's India's first music and arts magazine, and it's an honor and a privilege for me to be here with the lady that I discovered way back in '97. when she was still a student and I was a judge at Mood Indigo, where I discovered her and I launched her
11th
career.
standard.
Yeah, so it's for me it's a karmic connection.
Oh, totally, yes.
And it's lovely to be here. It's a pleasure and an honor to have all these gorgeous ladies. This, by the way, is easily one of the most talented graphic designers in the country and the world. My very dear friend Arushi, who's also part of Rave magazine. And inshallah, two of us and the entire team put together will make this happen on a historical note.
Lovely.
So if you talk about you have been a contestant, Big Boss contestant रह चुके हैं.
जी, जी, जी.
Big Boss 10 की बात करें तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होते जा रहा है.
जी.
अब बाबा ने मतलब एकदम तहलका मचा रखा है, तो क्या कहना चाहिए?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हर साल देखा जाता है ना तो टेरिटोरियल लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं
Yeah.
और हर साल अल्फा मेल्स आते हैं, लेकिन इस बार मैं कहना चाहूँगा हैट्स ऑफ टू विमेंस लिब, इट्स अल्फा फीमेल्स नॉट अल्फा मेल्स.
Yeah.
अगर आप देखो तो the two really interesting characters and personalities for me are clearly Lopamudra and Bani. अगर वो दो नहीं होते तो शायद ये सीज़न इतना मज़ेदार नहीं होता जितना है इस वक्त.
तो अभी आपको कौन लगता है कौन सा स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेस्टेंट कौन है?
मेरे हिसाब से वही इंसान जीतने के लायक है जिसने पब्लिक का दिल जीता हो और जो जीतने के लायक हो. मैं ये नहीं बताना चाहूँगा कि मेरा फेवरेट कौन है, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट फेयर टू द कंटेस्टेंट्स इन द हाउस. मैं जब घर में था बहुत से लोगों ने बहुत विशेष टिप्पणी की है मेरे खिलाफ और दूसरों के लिए, तो वो जायज़ नहीं लगता मुझे. इट्स नॉट फेयर टू द कंटेस्टेंट्स इन द हाउस टू गिव माई फेवरेट.
What about बाबा? How is he?
मैंने बाबा को इन सलमान से इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था. ये बात मालूम है आपको किसी को? ये मैं सच बता रहा हूँ. तो मुझे अफसोस होता है कि मैंने उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया, क्योंकि आई थिंक इट्स शेमफुल व्हाट ही हैज़ डन. अफसोस होता है. थैंक यू. खुदा हाफिज़. थैंक यू ऑल.
Yo, people living in the park, dominated by the first world. Yo, people living in the
Hello, so many mics.
Yeah.
And my own.
जी क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आज रील मैक्सिको रीलॉन्च हो रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में?
मेरे हिसाब से music is something that binds hearts and free spirits, as I said earlier, and I think Rave has been the epitome of that same very sentiment. It has, brought new talent to the foray. It has given them a platform, like we just have seen it right now. And I think with Rave coming back to India, we're only going to unleash, the talent that truly, truly exists. I mean, you've got national television that's tapping onto new talent. There are reality shows every day, but why do you need a reality show when you have real bands in action, real people, real music, real sentiments in action? So I think Rave gives all those unheard sentiments a voice, and I just would like to congratulate Rishi and the entire magazine and everybody who's authority on it. All the very, very best. Thank you.